You talking bags, I got it. 50 racks in this motor, ain't come with nobody. One of these niggas play with me, Lord, I'ma keep me about it. I ain't lonely by myself, I don't hang with nobody. It's nobody, nobody, nobody. 50 racks in this motor, ain't come with nobody. One of these niggas play with me, Lord, I'ma keep me about it. I ain't lonely by myself, I don't hang with nobody. It's nobody, nobody, nobody.
What's up, YouTube? Back with another one. Me and Legit about to hit up to Charlotte, man. It's Legit birthday, so my dog turned a big number this year. Go up here and celebrate with him. Also can go up to them Boyz MC Charlotte. Go to their day party. Go to their anniversary tonight. Support my guy Beast. He one of them guys that. He been following me. He been supporting me. Everything I post, everything I got going on, he always hit me. He always make sure I'm straight. I see him everywhere I go. So me and Legit can go up there and rock with them. Like I said, it's their anniversary. They're having a day party. They're having an anniversary later on tonight. From Atlanta to Charlotte, we on the way. Onyx. I don't know what Legit call his bike. But stay with us. Go. Yeah, man, we done made the first gas stop. We up here in South Carolina. Like I say, we're moving at a good pace. A little cold outside, but the bike's running good. Nothing to complain about. No big issues. Just me and Legit rolling. Legit, what you got something you want to say?
We out here catching a couple breezes.
Yeah.
A little chilly though.
A little chilly for Legit. Like I say, we about to
Just got so
wipe these damn helmets off. Caught a bug. And man, wear that full face helmet, man. And half helmets ain't it, especially when you're traveling. Got all the gear on, got the vest on, my gloves on, everything. Like I said, we about to gas up, keep it pushing. We actually ahead of schedule, so ain't no big rush. Probably gonna get to Charlotte about 9:30, 10 o'clock. Sit down, grab us some to eat, hit the day party. Stay with us. Go. What's up, man? As you can see, we are parked. We made it to our hotel. We already checked in and did everything we need to do. About to chill for a little minute. We waiting on J-Mac to make it. He live in Raleigh, Durham, North Carolina. So we currently in Charlotte, so about an hour ride for him. We're gonna wait for him to get here, then we're gonna start moving around. Still early. I mean, we made that trip. It's usually like a 4-hour trip. I rode an hour up to Worm. And then we probably made it here in like 2.5 hours, y'all. So cut that trip down 30 minutes. Like I said, it was an hour from me to him. We made it here about 2.5, so 3.5 hour trip. Ain't nothing. That's some 200 something miles. Some easy work on a Saturday. Like I say, we're going to chill out, kick it, go to the day party, do whatever Warren wants to for his birthday. Just move around, you know. We believe that when we go to every city, we got to touch down, kick with their clubs, kick with whoever we can while we there. And I got some of the guys up here in North Carolina that I know, so It's always good to see my people. 25th hour, where y'all at? Boats, where you at? I'm gonna hit all my guys and see what they got going on today. They might be there. Again, stay with me. What's up, YouTube? Me and Legit out here. Rinsing these bikes off. Like, so we about to pull up to them Boyz day party. It's hot out here. Like it's about to rain in a minute though, but trying to get this thing going, y'all. Like I said, we came to rinse our bikes off because we weren't able to get them washed before we left the city, so we'll probably be over there about 20-25 minutes once we done. Me Legit, top of the line riders. Shout out to the rest of our club. They're down there in Tallahassee right now. Hey man, we a little split, but we outside. That's all you need to know. Getting them things washed up, dog. And so when I get back to the city, man, I got some stuff I'm doing tomorrow before we go to Myrtle Beach. So I probably won't have it for about 3 weeks to about a month. Legit, I think he's gonna send his to the shop too before we head down there. He said I'm definitely changing a couple things on this. I ain't been able to, but I will be able to now. You got a minute? He said, man, that orange kitten. Go ahead, you good. Come on, man. We outside, man. They say these Charlotte trips, man, they be some quick runs that we know we can hit. Get on back to the crib. Come on, man. Beach, we on the way, dog. Made it.
All the way from ATL back to the Carolinas. What's good, baby?
What's up? You all right?
Yes, sir. You?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm always good.
Up in the digs, bro.
What's up, bro? How you doing? I'm good. Appreciate it.
You know what I mean? We like that, baby. I jabbed the nigga and everything. You know what I mean? There you go, baby.
OG, you got to tell me where you from.
300, baby. Charlotte, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? That's what we do. My people, hold up. Where my nigga?
Come on.
Man, that Puerto Rican nigga. You know
Yeah. I see by the hair.
That nigga essay.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Word up.
Come on now.
I ain't fighting. That nigga cutting you.
Yeah. He come out. That shit come out his mouth with all that shit. Yeah.
You know what I mean? He's spitting.
Hey,
you know what
that's
I mean?
a Puerto Rican for real.
And he got the grandmother and all that in the parking lot. You know how them Spanish niggas do. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Word up. OG 300, baby.
Hey,
That's
man.
how we do.
I'm gonna put you on YouTube. You gonna be on YouTube.
Love, baby. That's
Yes,
how
sir.
we do, baby. All day.
Yes,
You know what I
sir.
mean? Appreciate the love, baby. All day.
Always.
My man, I told these niggas OG stand for old guy, and these niggas trying to clown me. You know, a nigga said I need Pedialyte and all that bullshit. That's fucked up. You know what I mean?
We gotta keep the old heads keep this shit alive, man.
That's your man's in there.
The old heads keep this shit alive, man. They gonna teach you some shit. My guy.
Cheers.
Yes, sir. They got some bikes up here, man. Talk to me.
Hey, the killer bees out of there.
I done caught him with the smoke in his mouth, y'all. Got that? Say that again. Where you from? Talk to who you with?
Danville, Illinois, man.
Okay, all the way to Illinois. I'm talking about.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I ain't a fan of these new bikes, but they starting to goddamn get me. They starting to get me. When I say this goddamn, this probably get out. All the way down to goddamn the trikes. Come on now. Man, I gotta damn near try to talk over the music. Man, look, I'm a sucker for blue. That motherfucker there is so hard. Excuse me for cussing, y'all, but I just get a little excited sometimes when I see a motorcycle. It's clean too, man. They got some bikes out here. Man, I don't know what they're doing to it. They got the saddlebag out that mother, but boy, that mother clean. Y'all know who this nigga is. Y'all gotta know who this nigga is.
What up, though?
My nigga. Right?
Good.
What's up? What's up, G? Kid? Alright? What's going on, G? Kid? Alright? What you got here? What you got here? Come on now. You about to do that slow roll. Trying to see if you want to do it on this bike or Warren bike. You gonna do it on one of them, though. Flip flops. Hey, he's serious, too, with the flip flops. He said it might be the advantage.
try this. Let me try this.
He trying to find it, y'all. Let's see if he can find it on this or he gonna find it on worms. He trying to find it. Trying to find it. Heavy. Yeah. Let him try yours, Warren. Let's see if he can find it, y'all. It's a little different than his bite. Let's see if he can find it. He trying to find it. He trying to find it. Come on, we got to have look. We ain't got number time. Find it, dog. Trying to find it, y'all. Once you get it, it's a wrap. Get it, it's a wrap. Tell him. Hey. Let's see if he can find it, y'all. We trying. Let's see if he can find it, goddammit. Oh yeah. Hey, they done messed up. Yeah. He done found it, y'all. Trying to find it. Boy, like they lined up and ready, goddammit. Say white chocolate. Yes. P. I don't know, he's prospect. I don't know P whatever he is. He one of them.
He one of them, huh?
He P something. 1, 2, 3. I don't know how many P's y'all got. Shit, y'all he could be P15 for all I know.
Never know.
I never know. Y'all know where my money at.
Left off.
I know where my money at.
Yes, sir.
Come on now.
We're gonna get mad.
Come on, G. Cuz, you done got in there. Cuz is snuck in that motherfucker. I ain't see Cuz sign up. Cuz is snuck in that motherfucker. Old school dude with a cigarette in his mouth. That's what I'm talking about. They say he would look like Shaft.
Play some music. Finish line wins. That one's over.
Come on, Cuz.
Hey, dog, it's my chain. Move it out, chain. Smooth it out, chain. Smooth it out. Come on, chain, win.
No, you still won.
keep it up if I got him.
There he is. It's easy work. It's easy work. It's easy work. Come on, man. It's easy work. It's easy work. Come on now. Come on, cuz. That was just a practice. That's just practice. Come on now. Nah, he good. Don't worry about cut. Don't worry about it. Let's go.
All right, round 3, here we go. There you go.
Come on now. Come on now. Come on, Bato. Come on now. Let's see if we'll get to the line. Let's see. Let's see. He will lose it regardless. He done found it. He done found it. He done found it. There we go. There we go. Come on, White Chocolate. Come on. Walking that motherfucker. Walking that motherfucker. Come on, White Chocolate. What you got going on? Easy work, easy work, easy work.
What up, though?
Talk to me, bro.
What up, though?
Come on, man. Hey, that practice run, that's all he needed. Y'all fucked up when y'all gave him that practice run. Talk to me now.
We outside.
We outside. Come on now. It's a championship round.
Do you feel good about that?
Come on now.
All right, we got our last and final round. This is for the trophy.
My guy, how you feeling, goddammit?
Ready?
Excited.
Come on
Right
now.
I'm excited. I'm loving it.
Come on now.
You came out here for a reason. Let's get
Of course.
it, baby.
Let's go. Smoking vodka.
He was in my way. I damn near hit y'all. You hear what I'm saying? You hear what I'm saying? We good, baby.
Nigga, you know I love you, nigga.
It's all love. The DB way. You hear me?
Come on now.
You see how they got in my way? Cameraman. You hear me?
I got it
Hey,
on
these
camera.
old schools don't lie, man. They seen it. They seen it on camera. But I'm gonna honor it.
Hey man, that's a wrap for the day party. We're gonna get it reset, shower, change clothes. It's supposed to rain, hopefully it don't. Lil Jit done left my tour pack open. put the good old crown on it. You know that ain't. Come on, legit. What you doing, legit? You can't leave my shit open. Anyway, them boys, MC, Charlotte, North Carolina. They done showed me major love, they done showed legit love. Warren, Chris. It's gonna be a good one, y'all. Like I said, we're gonna go on, take a reset, go on to the next spot. Stay with me. Go. That's his excuse, y'all. He done left my stuff open.
Hey, don't put a play out.
What's your excuse? What's your excuse?
Drinking. Who that is?
You two.
Okay.
This is Chris. North Carolina finest.
Yeah, I is.
Charlotte's finest. And we with the guys, y'all. We with the guys, y'all. This is one of the ones that you got to be a part of. And if you ain't, you'll see it. What? You done let my stuff open. What? What you got to say? Kill him.
Hey, they got a big ass chicken sandwich, bro. Yeah, I swear to God, that shit like that big. No exaggeration.
We'll be there tonight. I said, look, even if we're around, we'll be in the car.
I don't think it's gonna be bad, bro.
I don't think so. Look, I put the deal is. Look, a little rain don't scare me. I got some pants in the room. A little rain don't scare me.
I hope so.
They stay scared of
Hey, you let me know you needed it.
I got you.
You bought Sensei bike?
I did.
Ain't that a bitch?
We have made it.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have made it.
Got him on camera.
Legit, he don't know he going on YouTube.
Got him on camera.
We have made it.
Wow. That's right.
And y'all, when I say we've had, yo, no. Good old tone. YouTube. Just like that, man, we made it back to Atlanta. Onyx handled that role like a champ, man. Getting there, getting back, no issues. I'm gonna try to put this video out like soon because this was a good one. Them boys, MC, Charlotte. Y'all know I appreciate all the love y'all showed me and my people with me. Beast, you my dog, you know. You called, I said I'm coming. I brought some of the guys with me. Had a good time, got up out of there, man. Quick Saturday trip, came back Sunday. Nice and easy. Man, something about hitting that road, man. Me and my boy Worm, legit. Good to ride with you, G. It's something about being on that road, running together. It's a completely different feeling. It's like just us two. That's my co-pilot. He seen I got a little tired on the way home, so he led the way. He brought us back to the crib. Happy birthday to you again, G. Legit, you did your thing. J-Mac, good to see you. That's my Raleigh Durham brother. Players Elite, Vice President. Chris, Tone, it was good to hang with y'all. That's legit college roommates. Again, man, it was just all around good weekend. I hope the video reflect that. Like I said, because I recorded a lot. I recorded us riding on them bikes up and down that highway, running 80, 90, whatever we was doing, man. Time to get ready for the work week. Onyx will be going into the shop, doing a couple things before Murder Beach. Y'all know we will be at Murder Beach. We less than a month away, so we'll try to go and get in the shop. Take care of a couple things. Y'all gonna see some things look a little different when y'all see it again. I ride around on that 1000 just to scoot around through the city. This mug's a beast, man. That mug's a beast. That's not his name no more, but that mug is a beast. Till next time, YouTube, I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and my TikTok, FG_kid1. Again, it's FG_kid1. Go make sure you like, comment, subscribe to our podcast, 3 Ends of the Truth. Again, that's 3 Ends of the Truth. We got an episode dropping. By the time y'all see this, that want to be out. Miles from Undisputed MC Atlanta. Got a lot going on, man. Like I said, Murder Beach, we will be there. Remember, Murder Beach, we will be there. And we're going to do the podcast, too, if we can. Till next time, YouTube.